What is up? My name is Ashley. I work at the Victory Branch Library, and today we're going to be doing a pretty cool craft. The best thing about it is how freaking easy it is, because all you need are a couple of things. This is petroleum jelly that I got at Walmart for like less than $1, and some Kool-Aid, which you probably already have. I mean, you could have both of these ingredients. I got them both at Walmart. This was also like 90 cents, which is such a steal if you ask me. We're making Kool-Aid Lip Balm, if you couldn't tell by our fabulous ingredients. The only other thing that I needed to grab was like a little container for it, which I happen to have one from some old lip balm that I used to have. But you could grab this at the craft section at a store super easily as well, or reuse something that you already have. Would be great, which is what I did. I also got a bowl with a spoon to do the mixing around, but you'll see how easy this is. So I would love it if you guys would try it as well. Ooh, look at this. It looks kind of gross, not gonna lie. Petroleum jelly is such a weird thing. But it's super like hydrating, so I just got a good scoop of it. I'm kind of gauging how much to use based on my little guy here, so I'm like, that seems like enough, sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my bowl like that, and I will open up my Kool-Aid packet. Be really careful not to spill it everywhere. That's definitely something that I would do. And ooh, very nice. I got the cherry flavor because cherry is my favorite, and I feel like red tinted would be cool. I'm just gonna pour in like, ooh, it's kind of purpley. Could be purple. Ooh, it smells delicious, so highly recommend. So now I'm gonna mix it up. It's gonna get all over my finger, gross. Okay. Let's see. I don't have any measurements or anything like that. I'm kind of just mixing around until I feel like it works. Yeah, it's definitely very purpley, but it's mixing together really nicely. So I'm just kind of spreading it around in there. The Kool-Aid's not really gonna dissolve. It's still gonna sort of have a crunchy-ish texture, which I'm totally fine with, but just heads up. But it's super easy. Look, I think that might be stirred up enough. It looks kind of gross in the video, but it smells fabulous, and this would make a super fun gift or something like that. Oh, it's so purple. I would recommend maybe using a different color. If you want, you could do blue. I'm not a huge blue person. I just don't think it works with my face colors, but get adventurous. I'm just gonna scoop this in here. One thing I would definitely recommend is getting a napkin, which I don't have right now because it's a little bit messy, but like not that bad. I just had to scoop it out of the spoon with my finger, so it's kind of all over my finger, but just grab it, all the last bits of it. I mean, you saw how fast that was. That was like so easy, and scooping the rest of it, ew, in here, and voila. You have Kool-Aid Lip Balm. That looks crazy. I like that it looks very grapey, even though it is cherry. So it smells cool. I'm gonna kind of wipe my finger off. Let's see, put it to the test. Feels good, feels hydrating, perfect for the winter time. Yeah, kind of, you can feel like the crystalliness. Oh, it tastes like cherry Kool-Aid. That's wild. And it does kind of give some color to your lips, so I would highly recommend this. It was so easy, and obviously only 2 ingredients, plus the little container, and that's so fun. Where did I put my lid? And bam, you can just carry this around and whip it out whenever you have chapped lips. So don't be buying no chapstick when you can be making your own fabulous tinted lip balm. So yeah, there you have it. I would love if you guys would try it. Let me know how you like it, and have a good rest of your week. Bye.